Hi friends! I always encounter this question sa mga insurance Facebook groups. Ano bang mas maganda? VUL o BTID? Pag-usapan natin yan. Quick explanation lang ha. VUL o Variable Unit Linked Insurance, may insurance ka na, may investment components ka pa. Ang pros nito ay it provides long-term insurance protection plus long-term capital growth. At ang maganda pa, handled by professional fund managers ang investments mo. So even if you have zero knowledge about investments, walang problema. Next, BTID or Buy Term Invest the Difference. Dito, insurance lang ang binabayaran mo at ikaw na ang magdi-DIY sa investments. Usually, mas mababa ang babayaran mo sa insurance company kung term insurance lang versus VUL. Bagay naman ito sa mga knowledgeable na sa investments at experience na sa iba't ibang platforms ng investments tulad ng business, stocks, and mutual funds. At marunong mag-handle ng kanilang investments on their own without the help of fund managers. So ano nga ba yung mas maganda? Honestly, depende yan sa'yo. Kung gusto mo ng convenience at discipline na matik nag-iipon ka na, nag-i-invest ka na, habang insured ka, VUL might fit you. Pero kung super hands-on ka naman at knowledgeable ka na about investments, mag-BTID ka. The point is, walang one size fits all. Ang best plan pa rin ay yung plan na kaya mong panindigan at mag-work sa lifestyle mo. Stay tuned for our part 2 tomorrow. Sasagutin naman natin yung tanong, imbis na VUL versus BTID, pwede bang VUL and BTID? Once again, I'm Lams and my mission is to achieve financial freedom by helping one Filipino at a time.